Hey guys, so today I want to talk about my lifesaver when a blemish pops in my face. This is the Mighty Patch, and this product is truly a miracle worker. It's literally like magic. So basically what I do is when I see like a pimple like in my face, like I kind of notice like a little bump or whatever, what I do is when I do my nighttime skincare, I take one of these bad boys and I pop it in my pimple, and it has hydrocolloid in the patch, so that's what extracts the impurities in the pimple, and it literally like dries out the pimple. It's super cool, and I literally just wake up like with my pimple like almost gone. So yeah, it comes like in these little bags, and these are the little patches, and they are super effective to remove any kind of like annoying stubborn blemish. And ever since I discovered these, like I have the best solution for any kind of pimple that pops randomly in my face. So definitely a game changer in the pimple removing market. And yeah, if you're looking for a way to like get rid of your like annoying pimples and to prevent pimples overall, this is a great option. And yeah, definitely recommend.